grateful that the weather's been kind to us and we've had a long dry spell of weather. Apart from that awful day, fine show day, but we've had a very dry spring. Very, very dry. This is a very deep drop of grass. These are the wet spring. The rally that we've been able to make of this fresh grass. Any exhibitors that's not picked up their tickets and their rosettes and their programmes, if you've not picked them up, if you go to where the raffle tickets are being sold at the marquee.
A 1918 Fowler BB1 ploughing engine, one of a pair. This engine has its sister engine back at Leaving, a matching pair. They were reunited last year after about 50 years. The sister engine listed is exported to Canada and resided in the museum in Ontario for 50 years in Canada. But thankfully the Cooks have been able to reunite the two, get them back together again, and they've also got a big side off the opposite side. So one engine sat at the top of the field, facing the same way as the engine at the bottom of the field. And then the winding drum paid out its big steel hawser, which was connected to the balance plough or the cultivator or the disc harrows, and the engine furthest away from the starting point for the implement winched the implement across the field. And when it got to the other end, obviously the drive was disconnected, the plough was balanced, so there was 6 furrows sticking out one side of the centre wheels, another 6 furrows sitting up in the air at the other end, and once it got to the other end, they were able to tilt the plough over to put the other 6 furrows back into the ground for it to be winched back in the other direction. And once this was all done at one end of the field, the engine would give a tooting whistle, so it was